Now we're going to do a series of exercises from Watteau's Frolic of the Five Animals. I also learned these exercises from Internal Master Sifu John Fei of the Blue Dragon style. These are exercises that are part of a much more extensive system of what's called Watteau's Frolic of the Five Animals. We'll be doing these exercises with the idea that we're trying to move energy through what are called the three burners. The lower, middle, and upper burner. We'll be doing movements up and down, out to the side, and in and out. All of those are done rhythmically and relaxed. So make sure you have a shoulder width stance. The breathing is diaphragmatic. Tongue is on the roof of the mouth. Place the palms up just below your lower belly. And inhaling through the nose. Arms come up. Turn them over. Exhale, pushing down. Now you can also add a rocking motion to these. As you inhale, you shift the weight forward on the balls of your feet, putting pressure on kidney 1. And as you exhale, coming back to center. The next one, the arms go out to the side, palms up. We start level with the shoulders. We inhale, keeping the arms straight but not rigid to about the top of the head. Turn the palms over, exhale down. So inhaling up, exhaling down. Feeling of extension through the arms. Extension but not rigidity. Should be relaxed extension.